That's better. Okay. Great.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, what are you doing?
Okay, sorry. Okay, thank you. I'm currently making the song for the Lluvia de Peces teaser to be released. It's gonna be like a dramatic, dystopian, oppressive sounding song, but I'm currently putting it all together right now. Trombone. Yes. So I modified it a little bit, made it pan from left to right. Alright, so I modified the kick drum so it sounds like, yeah.